Hey, hi traders, this is Partiban. Today is 13 January 2016, 4:30 p.m. Okay, I'm preparing the video, this video to explain about today's market outlook, and I'm going to share about yesterday's trade. It's quite important lessons. I've taken a position in Euro GBP, basically two positions, one in H1 and H4 hour opportunity and 15 minutes. So in the 15 minutes setup, it hits stop loss, and I'm going to explain how it works and the lessons that we learned from this trade. This mistake where it hits stop loss, I lose about 0.2% of my trade, and another trade I close with a break even. I'm going to explain all that to you guys now. Okay. Just hold on here. Okay, when we analyze the chart, okay, this is the high, low, high, low. So higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low. Okay, so once the market closed above this level, we bought. Okay, we bought over here and we place our stop loss at this level. This was H1 chart. Okay, so the trade did not hit stop loss, still in running, and this is a very clear setup where high low. Once market closes below and close above it, we buy and place our stop loss at this level. Okay, high low, high low. So we place our stop loss at this level. Okay, the same pattern repeats in 15 minutes. Okay, over here, you see, once it closes above that, means we already in a buying zone. So I look for a buy setup again. High, low, high, low. So I marked this. Okay, so market closes below this and close up. So I went and bought, and I set my take profit to continue the thing. By right, I supposed to set my take profit over here. It really did hit, but this trade is a bit we know it's already uptrend, so we are taking in a smaller time frame also, like another opportunity to buy at a very good risk reward ratio. So what happened is, this was the high and this was the low, and this was the high and this was the low. So I've managed to place my stop loss exactly about 5 pips below this. Okay, so what happened is, right after that, you see, our trade hit stop loss because of the false movement. This was a false movement. Okay, this false movement. Then right after that, market shoot up again. So our trade was hit stop loss because of the false movement. So this is the reason why I consider, you see, even our trade setup, everything right, sometimes our trade hits stop loss because of the false movement. And why it happens today is, you see the forex factory, not much activities for today, only at 11:30 p.m. By 11:30 most of the traders already done, only for US traders. And tomorrow, look at tomorrow, most of the activities after 8 p.m. and how about yesterday? Not much movement, only 5:30 p.m. and 6:30. then there's no US or Euro news. It's like it's a bit like very silent, very quiet, is it? So that's the reason I close my positions with which on the existing Euro GBP trade, because it's not worth holding. Another reason why I close it is, sorry, just receive a call. Okay. Another reason I closed the trade because got a symbol Euro GBP, click properties. In this platform, I see market. If I short, they give me a reward of 86 pips, 86 cent for every one standard lot. Whereas if I go on long, they deduct minus $2.27. Let's say I enter 2 lot and I'm going to hold this for say 10 days. So it's going to be minus almost $4.54 a day. So it's going to be $40.50 minus. So you have to consider all these for holding the trades. Let's say you want to hold a longer period. Why I'm talking about longer period is, you see, in a weekly chart, it's a very clear setup in Euro GBP. It penetrated this line. This is the lowest point. This is the next line. It really penetrated clearly, forming a retest, and it will shoot up. So this is a very clear setup, and this shows that euro is going to be appreciate against pound sterling. Okay, so euro gonna appreciate. And when I look at today's forex factory news and now about tomorrow, there are possibilities, because see tomorrow there's only GBP news, which if it is minus data, it could send pound sterling down, so euro GBP will appreciate. But that it's a bit risky, because only pound sterling news is there and euro news is not there, or USD news to counter the effect. So volatility might be quite unstable. So that's the reason I'm exiting my trade with profit today. Okay guys, so hope I managed to explain on the pound euro GBP the trade. And another reason I close is this trade. It's very funny, you know, this currency pair. Well, you know it. Now I'm very sure about this trade where it only can drop to this level, but it managed to drop and giving us a double bottom. But when you look at this chart, hourly chart, is it? It forms a very strong pin bar. But this is false movement. Okay, so but then when I look back, this could be a this currency giving us a quite the setups are not so clear in this. So because there's so much of noise here. Okay, so I'm going to discard this currency chart from my trading. Looking back, today's opportunity, all the currencies are lack of liquidity. I don't see any opportunities here for today, but there is one in the GBP Aussie dollar. You see, high, low, high, low. If it closes below this, I'll short and place my stop loss here. But this is already under 30, under 50 pips, so it's not good setup. And New Zealand USD. Wait, New Zealand USD is it? Yeah. If it closes below and above and retest, I'll buy. But it's about 100 pips.